Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Sales coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, guys, and we got lots to talk about today. Wow, it's been a really crazy day. We're seeing that yesterday crypto was doing really good, and then suddenly it just went down, down. And I'm going to talk to you why this happened. So what happened was Facebook, the Zuckerberg in the house, he is what caused Bitcoin to dump, guys. And I'm going to talk about why and how crypto went down, because we saw that some of the major tech stocks like Facebook and PayPal, they were on the way down, guys. And this is one of the main reasons that we saw Bitcoin drop about 4%. And when Bitcoin dropped 4%, we saw the whole crypto markets drop as well. Also, we're seeing that the Solana Ethereum bridge called Wormhole had a huge hack, guys. $350 million was taken off in Ethereum. We're going to talk about that. And also, we're going to talk about some huge Dogecoin news. Looks like Dogecoin has just hit another milestone, so we're going to jump into that. So without any further delay, let's jump into it, guys. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And I'm the Ric Flair of crypto, guys. I still believe that in 2025 we could be seeing $2 to $3 coming in for Doge, guys. And we got so many catalysts coming for Doge, guys. So stop being Debbie Downers. Stop being vitriolic in the comments, guys. Show some love. Show some positivity in the house, guys. So right now we're seeing that the pre-markets are pretty much down, down, and this could put more pressure on crypto. But as we saw yesterday, the broader markets closed green, but Bitcoin still went down, and that was mainly due to the Mark Zuckerberg, the Zucker in the house. It was up yesterday, and then they had their earnings report, and then in the pre-markets, it took a dump, guys. So we could see that Zuckerberg in the pre-markets, their stock has tanked. It looks like the Zuckerberg is out of there, guys. And also too, we saw that also PayPal yesterday also tanked. PayPal was also down 24.59%. And as you know, that PayPal is also aped into crypto. You can actually buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto on the PayPal platform. These are some of the catalysts that have driven crypto down. That's why we saw Bitcoin had this spike yesterday. We saw this spike yesterday when crypto went down, and that was caused by the Facebook metaverse results, guys. So don't discount Bitcoin. And also right now we're seeing positions have been liquidated right now, and that is also what is causing pressure and also pushing the Bitcoin price down. So that is what's going on. So Zuckerberg metaverse business lost more than $10 billion last year, and those losses keep on growing, guys. Reality Labs reported a massive losses of more than $10 billion. And this whole, Reality Labs, it's been losing money left, right, and center. It's been losing, and this is not good, guys, in-house. And that's why we're seeing that the Facebook stocks or the metaverse stocks have been going down. So metaverse shares plunged 20% as Facebook reports losing daily users for the first time. Losing a lot of users right now is because of Apple. Apple right now, in terms of their security and reporting system, since the recent updates in the last year to the iOS devices, Facebook can't track. And when Facebook can't track, it cannot serve up ads. So this is also one of the reasons why Facebook is losing a lot of money, because it's losing users, but also the amount of ad revenue is also going down because people who are using iOS devices, their data is not being tracked, guys. So this is also some of the reasons why we're seeing Facebook going down, and this had an impact on Bitcoin, and that's why I saw Bitcoin go down yesterday. So that is what is the big cause of the Bitcoin going down, down, guys. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart is trading at 36,946, and you can see here that we had a similar drop in the 31st of January, as I talked about in the other video. And you can see if we look at the measure move, the drop from here to here, it's around about 3%. And if you look at the same move here, from where we were here to here, it's also around about just over 3%. So from that perspective, I'm seeing that these two drops are pretty coincidental. They're pretty much the same. So could this be market manipulation? I believe it's market manipulation, because here we also had a whole ton of longs liquidated, and we're seeing a whole ton of longs being liquidated again. So the market makers are creating downward pressure on the Bitcoin price. And also we had the Zuckerberg news. We also have the PayPal news. So this is creating some kind of volatility volatility in the Bitcoin price right now, and that's why we're seeing Bitcoin, as I said earlier, Bitcoin is going down, and it's 36,957. But we're still above this purple zone here. We're still above the purple zone right here, and this purple zone is a key zone, and this is going to reduce the selling pressure. And I think that we're going to see Bitcoin absolutely bounce to the upside, guys. So that is cool in the house. So there's been some good, some positive news in terms of bullish news for tax. Thailand relaxes tax rules for crypto investors, scrapping the 15% withholding tax. So that is good news if you're in Thailand. So maybe the OG needs to go to Thailand, guys. So that is positive news. Some other news that's coming in right now is we said IRS will not tax unsold state crypto as income. So there was this whole case in the U.S. And there was a civil suit filed by Joshua and Jessica Jarrett, and they were able to win the lawsuit, and they received a refund of $3,293 because previously, if you staked your crypto and you got rewards, that was taxable. But they argued that the staked crypto is not, they didn't buy it, it wasn't transactionable, it was only a reward, so it shouldn't be taxable. So they won the case, and this is huge, guys, because this has huge impact. If you're a Bitcoin miner, you are earning block rewards for mining Bitcoin. So every time you hit a block, you get a reward, and that's about 6.25 Bitcoin in the house. So based on that, this is going to be huge for the miners, because the miners will not have to pay tax, because there is a case law precedent right here. So the miners must be jumping for joy, and hopefully this should be a catalyst that should send Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other cryptos to the moon. So Dogecoin right now is still going sideways, even though we had that 3% drop yesterday, and that was a capitulation and following suit with the Bitcoin drop. We're still seeing that Dogecoin right now is still trading at 1378. So it's going to get back up there. I'm not too worried about it, and we're seeing that it has resistance at 15 cents. We have huge support at 13. So we're just going midway in that channel. Dogecoin reaches yet another historic milestone in the house. So right now, Dogecoin, the world's first and leading meme coin, and it still continues to break records, and the popularity of Dogecoin continues to grow. The crypto is now overflowing to other blockchains, guys. So what happened? Blockchain data provided by Missouri shows that there are currently 4.8 million Dogecoin addresses, and nearly 4.5 million of them hold a balance of over 0.01 Doge. So this is this is absolutely impressive achievement, especially considering that these different charts indicate that 80,000 of those addresses sent transactions on Tuesday alone. So we're seeing that the number of transactions are increasing, the speed is increasing, and the cost of transactions are going lower and lower and lower. So guys and gals, Dogecoin is not dead. Dogecoin is going to go up, and I believe this is going to be the currency of the future. And we got the Doge One launch that's going to be coming sometime in April, and that's just around the corner, guys. So there's a lot of huge catalysts out there, and I would not be worried about the Doge. Sometimes you guys feel like it's, Doge is not going anywhere. Ignore the hype, ignore the price, and look at Doge. It's going to be a catalyst. It's going to be, set the financial freedom on fire, guys. And it's going to be a generational change, and Dogecoin is going to be the money for the bankless, and this is going to be huge catalyst. I love the Doge. You should love the Doge. And we're seeing that the top 1,000 BNB wallets are now holding a whole ton of Doge, and that's worth about $46 million in the house, guys. So if you love the Doge, and I love the Doge, smash the likes, subscribe, and comment, guys. And if you're in the Doge community, don't give up hope. Keep holding with diamond hands. And 2025, if you hold your Doge to then, you are going to be making millions, guys. So don't worry about it. Even though Mark Zuckerberg, the sucker in the house, dumped the crypto, caused crypto to crash, we're coming on back, guys. And this is just, and because we had this whole PayPal and Zuckerberg negative Nancy news, we also saw that the market makers jumped on the bandwagon and decided that they're going to liquidate a whole ton of longs in-house, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it. I absolutely would not worry about it in the house, guys. So right now, if you look at the informatics for Doge, let me give this a minute to refresh. In the house, guys, we're seeing that Dogecoin is still very much alive, and we're seeing 51% of all Dogecoin holders are still in the money, 46% are out, guys. So don't panic. Absolutely don't panic. OG needs some coffee. Wow, it's been a hectic day at the hotel. We're like 90% full. Tomorrow we're 90% full. We're running around with our heads, with chickens with no heads, and it's crazy, guys. It's absolute bedlam here at the hotel. So I love it, you love it, guys. Some other news that's coming in: more than 320 million were stolen in a latest apparent crypto HACK guys in the house. So this is not good, and this was done on the Solana Ethereum bridge, guys, and it's called Wormhole. Wormhole is one of the most popular bridges linking Ethereum and Solana blockchains. Lost about 320 million in an apparent nefarious intrusion Wednesday afternoon. The two blockchains are popular in the world of DeFi, where programmable contracts can replace lawyers and bankers in some of these transactions. So, you know, Solana's been having a hard time. It's been having network outages. It's been having this, and it's been having that. So this is just another bad episode for Solana. So hopefully all this negative press is not going to affect Solana too much. Right now, at time of recording, we're seeing that right now Solana is down down 10%. I jinxed it, guys. Solana is down 10%. So that is not looking good in the house for Solana, guys. So with that being said, guys, you know, I mean, I'm not selling. I'm absolutely not selling. I'm absolutely not selling my Solana, and I would recommend that you guys also do not sell your Solana in the house, guys. Yeah, so it's not looking so good out there. We're seeing lots of red. But, you know, this is crypto, guys. Welcome to crypto. Nothing goes up forever, and things do go down, and things need to go down before they're going to go up. And I still believe that we're still in a bull run. This is just a micro bear cycle, and we will get out of it. And, you know, it's a combination. Remember, we got all of the earnings happening right now, so there's going to be some volatility. We got CPI data coming out next week. We have, as I discussed in the video, we've got some really positive catalysts for the Dogecoin happening, and, you know, Bitcoin is being pretty much stable. It's going range bound sideways. It's not like dumping like a donut. Let's take a look at the fear and greed. It's still at 20, guys. Fear and greed came down yesterday because Zuckerberg, Meta, Facebook, they crashed crypto yesterday, so that's why we're seeing that going down, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it too much, guys, in the house. We're seeing that Ethereum was also broken down yesterday, but it's coming back up. I think we're at 22,653. We should be hopefully back up above $2,700 in the next couple of days. Let's see how the broader markets fare. Remember, we have a lot of earnings report. We got CPI data coming out around the 13th of February, so let's see how that rolls out as well. So if we take a look at the Phantom in the house, Phantom has gone above our support line right now, so that's pretty good. And Phantom is trading at $1.93, and we have support at about 190 bucks, guys. So that's not looking too bad in the house. So if we take a look at Solana in the house, Solana has taken a beating, and this is because of this $320 million nefarious attack on their network, guys. So hopefully this will wash out in the next 48 hours and people forget about it. But, you know, I'm being a little bit cautious. Remember, this is not financial fight. I'm not telling you to sell your Solana, but just be cautious, guys. Be cautious. Keep an eye on the price action for Solana right now. If you guys start to see suddenly it starts to take a huge dump, and if Solana starts to break down below $83 an ounce, you may want to consider reducing some of your Solana positions. Let it go down, settle, and then buy back in. That's what I would do. And this is absolutely not financial advice in the house, guys. So let's jump into the coin market cap right now. So you're seeing right now the total market cap for cryptocurrency is about 1.73 trillion in the house, and the volume is still pretty light, 52.32 billion. Remember, the Asian markets is still pretty much quiet because we got the Chinese New Year. Right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin is down 3.8%, and that's at $37,000 in the house. We're seeing that the Ethereum is also down, down, and that is at 4.13%. We're seeing BNB is down. The whole markets are basically down about 3%, and we're seeing that ADA is also down, and I will be buying ADA again if it hits $1. And we're seeing Solana is also down, down, and that has to do with that whole exploit that happened as well. So we're seeing that the Luna is down 7%, DOT is down. We're seeing the Doja Warrior is down. So everything is looking pretty red, looking pretty mean, pretty gnarly in the house, guys. So all I can say, what you guys should be doing is just hold, don't panic. And remember, you know, cryptocurrency it goes through peaks and valleys. It goes through volatility times. And, you know, if you've been in this business a long time like me, just have diamond hands. Don't panic. Wait, and things will move up, and we will get through this together. Absolutely, we're going to get through this together as a community. Dogecoin is holding its own. It's pretty stable right now, and I wouldn't panic too much. And you know, you really have three options. One, do nothing and hold, wait for life-changing wealth. You can. The second option is dollar cost average and wait. Combination of 1 and 2, or you can panic sell. And I'm not panicking selling. That's up to you. I can't tell you what to do out there, but you know, be strong, be well. God bless you. Go over to my Twitter. Follow over there, guys. Show some love. Follow me over there. Smash the like, subscribe. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to go and check the Wifey's channel. Go on over there. Hit that button right there. Show some love. Hit that button right there. And don't forget to check out the merch. Get the mug, get the cap, get the mug, and get the backpack. You want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. So once again, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I know a lot of you out there, when things go down, you get very vitriolic, and that's just human nature, guys. So all I got to say is you guys need a lot of love out there, and I love this community. God bless each and every one. Be safe, be well. Let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one in the next couple hours. If anything between now and then breaks, I will definitely put out a video, guys. So show some love, smash like, share this video, share this content with your friends. Let's get it right now. Woo!